If you have created something like a class app or a class hub, as some people call it, for your students, not necessarily a hyperdoc that there's going to be two-way interaction on, you can do what we call publish it to the web. This makes it function more like the front end of a website. The front end is what those of us who have no access to the programming, the coding, the behind the scenes stuff use. Okay, so if you go on Amazon and you're shopping for whatever you like to shop for, you're using the front end of that website. However, if something needs to be adjusted on Amazon, then those people, the developers, the programmers, they work on what we call the back end of that. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is very, very simple. It's a few clicks. It will make your documents something that your students, maybe your parents, can interact with as if they are websites. So I'm going to show you on Google Slides and on Google Docs, just so they work pretty much the same way, but I just want to show you the difference in how they look afterwards. Okay, so I'm going to start with my Google slide deck. So I'm going to go up here to File, and I'm going to scroll down maybe until I see the spot that says Publish to the Web. And if you want it to automatically run through your slides, if you have multiple slides, you can tell it to start as soon as it loads, restart after the last. You can have it advance automatically after a certain amount of time. I'm not going to worry about that. So I'm going to click Publish, and it's verifying. You're sure you want to publish this to the web? So I'm going to say, okay. So what it does now is it has given me the published link. So this is what I would share with my students or with the parents. So I'm going to put that in on another tab so you can see what it looks like. So now this is what they see. All right, so they can click on the links that are in there. All right, I'm going to go back a screen and close that, but they cannot do any kind of editing on this. Okay, it works virtually the same way if you're doing a Google Doc, but there's one extra box that's important to click. So I'm going to go over to my Google Doc. I'm going to go to File. And I'm going to say I want to publish this one to the web. So I'm going to click Publish. Yes, I really want to publish it. Something that is important to do is come down here to Publish Content and Settings. Make sure this box here is checked that says automatically republish when changes are made. This way, you only have to share this link one time, and any changes you make will automatically appear when someone looks at it. I think they publish about every 15 seconds. So I'm going to copy that link, paste it into my URL up here. I'm sorry, into my box up here. And now this is how they will interact with it. And you can see up here, it automatically updates every 5 minutes. So they can click whatever you have for them, but they cannot do any kind of editing. Now, if you've decided after a while, okay, I actually don't want that just public for anybody any longer, I don't want to have it published, you can unpublish. So I'm going to start on Slides. I'm going to go to File, go back to Publish to the Web, and I can click down here, the spot that says Stop Publishing. And it's going to verify that I actually want to stop publishing, then I can close that. If I want to publish it again, I'll follow the same steps I did before. So moving over to Docs, it's going to be the same thing. If I want to no longer publish it, I'm going to go to File, Publish to the Web, and I'm going to, again, click that Stop Publishing button and confirm.